Dear friends, this is a TOKii 03THMD. It's a hygrometer with a function like data log. So, and there are many functions which we will explain to you. This device actually is continuously reading temperature and humidity. It displays the time, it displays the date also, and whenever the light is on, it will show light is on. It works with the adapt power supply, external power supply. It has a port one. This is a sensor to read the temperature and humidity. This is a port actually given for in case you don't want sensor over here, you want some other location sensor, which is selectable actually in this device. We will explain later. There is a 20-meter cable and the sensor is available as an option. So you can connect the cable and you can take the sensor to a long distance. Then this also has a port for external display. External display is optional. This is optional if some customer wants to have a bigger display on the production floor, so you can have external display over here. This port is for data cable and this is on off switch. This is the port which is in this particular model THMD. It's a dead port, but there is a second model -C. That means it's a controller which controls the output devices also, where a second model comes into the picture which can control the output two devices. Like for example, you want humidifier or dehumidifier to switch on and off, you can do that. So I will just show you the external display, how it shows external display. Before external display, I just want to show you what are the features in this. This is a menu. Once you press the menu continuously, it will enter into the setting menu. This is log on and off. That means you want data to be logged, you can enable or disable in this. And then the second function actually comes. Second function comes setting menu, log interval. So log interval also you can set minutes or seconds, how many minutes after it will go on reading the data. Then the next is a minute. After this alarm, there is an internal alarm. T low, temperature low, you can set the value. Then high temperature, you can set the value. So if it is going beyond that, it will give you beep signal. And then same way is RH low, that is humidity low. Then humidity high. And then next is the sensor source. For example, right now we set at internal, so you can also set as an external if you are using external sensor. Then this is a setting of date, month, year, day, month, extra. Time in hours, time in a minute, time in seconds. And then alarm buzzer, you want enable or disable, you can do that. It is function in your hand. And then this is a serial number of device also inside. Like this. Okay. Now this also has a password protection, that is somebody should not change anything actually once you set. So if you press this, so here you can set 6-digit password, and you can set your password. For example, I will just set the password. Okay, and maybe menu logged. Now it is logged. If somebody press, it won't enter into the settings. Okay, so I just open this password so that I can show other things to you. Now it is unlocked. Okay, now this is a device where you can have external display, and you can connect external display so that you can see the bigger one, actually wall mounted temperature and humidity in percentage. This also display come in two sizes. We have in a quotation also. Then all the data actually stored can be downloaded using this port to the PC. I will just show you. This is actually on the PC. You open the software, it will go like this. This is connected. Red color means connected. and this is a log list. So yes, it will take the data. So data is saved already. So you can see in the Excel sheet at so and so time interval, this is the temperature, this is the humidifier on or off. That means, that is actually for the other model. It will indicate also that humidifier on or off. Set humidity also, whatever you set, come over here. Humidity, dehumidity off. That means a dehumidifier off or on. That is also another model. Set alarm. Alarm. Set low, temperature low, like that. Off or on. Everything actually is recording, and it will show something like this. So continuously it will read. There is a 32 GB inbuilt memory, and there is a battery backup also actually inside this device. For example, if power goes off on the production floor, the backlight will go off, but the data log will continuously work. The data is already logging inside. So this is how actually the system work. Thank you.